And now the time has come to clean off the car. And remove the parts that's been covering up the infamous flag. Now I want to get this outside and wash it off, but I'd really like to take it out under its own power. So, with that being the goal, I'm going to have to take the hood back off so I can get at the engine and put gas in it, because I don't have a tank in it yet. I've got to run it into the car through a hose in a can. So that will be the next step. Then we'll get it going, drive it out, hopefully. Now we are going to have to wait a little while until I get a helper, because the hood is just sitting there and I can't take it off by myself. It's too big. So once I get a helper, we'll get that hood pulled back off, and then I'll be able to get at the engine to put gas in a gas can and in the carb and start it up. That'll be sweet. Stay tuned. We're coming back for that. Who wants to see this car drive out under its own power for the first time in years? If you want to see it drive out under its own power for the first time in years, leave a comment below and let me know.